If you clicked on this video, you should probably leave because I'm about to teach you how to finger yourself. No, seriously, 3 fingers, one weird spot, and somehow it calms your anxiety like magic. Still here? All right, let's go. This is called the 3-finger reset. And no, it's not what your dirty brain thinks. It's a pressure technique that taps into something real, your vagus nerve, the part of your nervous system that tells your body, chill out, we're safe. Here's what you do. Take your index, middle finger, and thumb. Press them together like this, kind of like you're about to pinch your soul. Now place them on your upper chest, just where your collarbones meet in that soft spot. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and press gently. What you're doing is stimulating a pressure point used in somatic therapy and vagus nerve work, used by therapists, athletes, even soldiers before high-stress moments. Within 30 seconds, your breath slows down, your thoughts stop spiraling, and your brain starts to come back online. And if you're wondering why your brain still feels exhausted, even when you've done absolutely nothing all day, you need to watch this next video. It explains exactly what's draining your energy and how to break out of it.